Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol Fmsa. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think that's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price. And then in this situation makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today was a very, very nice move when you consider where the price was yesterday and then where it ultimately closed up there. Any rational person is going to say, yeah, the bulls, the price definitely had a very, very nice price movement today. But that does lead to the very valid and logical question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And to best illustrate this, I actually need to scrunch up the chart here a little bit. So let's do that right there. So the level that really stands out to me in terms of answering this question is right here at, what is that? $2, and we'll call it 73 cents. Why is 273 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movement with true power, with genuine strength, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly strong, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $2.73. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price at that point in time? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this big old channel that the price just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Let's say a pretty drastic pullback happens. Not saying that it will, but let's just pretend and price does something like this. So in that event, even after a very drastic pullback, what would you have? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this set of lows down there. If you picture these as stair steps, well, hey, even after the drastic pullback, you still have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And again, that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement make progress forward as $2.72. As far as levels of resistance are concerned, I'm not even going to talk about those because in my opinion, breaking levels of resistance right now, not a huge priority. Top priority right now, just simply building higher bases, going through healthy consolidations, because as long as higher lows are being put in place over time, the long-term chart will take care of itself. So very, very nice price movement today. We'll see if the bulls can build upon it or not. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.